is Chris. Thanks for joining me today. Now, every day we look at the market from a blend of different TAs and take a peek at the news. Now, this is episode 2, so I'm still working out the workflow and content, but the good news is I'm making progress and I'm going to be pushing forward. First question, is anyone feeling a little bullish today? Oh yeah, we still are looking bearish. But Bitcoin is moving up this morning from the 9,700 area to the 10,000 on Binance. That's super bullish. But before we get into that, let's get rid of the formalities. So, I am not a financial advisor, and this in no way is financial advice. This show is only my opinions and interpretations of the market. I am also not a TA expert, but I do utilize the best TA, in my opinion, to analyze the market. Today's blend, we have our market expert, whose opinion I will be leaning on heavily during this analysis. And we also have our fundamental optimist, who is a good barometer for sentiment, and also our savvy trader, who has good insight into setups. These are my interpretations of their opinions, and no way replaces their in-depth analysis. I am merely giving you a blend of their TA. So here we go. Market cap is 274 billion. Bitcoin dominance is 64.8. So let's get into the TA. Today, the market is moving around 9,700 to 10,000. Now, our market expert sees some major confluence in the area again of 8,500. It is a CME gap, but all indicators are pointing towards that area. Also, the savvy trader does agree with him as well, but he's looking more at the 8,200 area. Now, the market expert does see resolution coming to us in the next week and a half, maybe sooner, of this smaller formation and bigger formation to the upside or the downside. In the market expert's opinion, it's good to keep it simple and basically look at the daily. You're looking for the break of the 89 EMA and the 21. Now, the downside, you're going to be looking around 8,200. Again, the savvy trader's also looking at that area. Now, the upside, we're going to look around 11,200. Now, the fundamental optimist also agrees, but he sees price action resolving a little sooner, but maybe hit a bit more powerful and equal opportunity on both sides. I do find the savvy trader's opinion very interesting. He basically says that the algo bots are bouncing around this tight range because of the Fibonacci retracement, and that we might require a whale to pop us out of this range. All in all, it's still a coin flip. Now, one thing to remember is markets are made of patient investors taking money from impatient traders. Now for the news. Top story today is Facebook warns investors that Libra may never launch. And that's what everyone's talking about. So let me read you what created this headline. This is an excerpt from an investor report. There can be no assurance that Libra or our associated products and services will be made available in a timely manner or at all. Now, the report also went on to say, we do not have any significant prior experience with digital currency or blockchain technology, which may adversely affect our ability to successfully develop and market these products and services. I do believe that Libra was a catalyst to our bull run, but losing it isn't the worst thing, but I don't think it's down for the count. Yeah, it did get a lot of pushback from the Senate and Congress, but it was mostly because of the government's concern about the ethics of Facebook dealing with people's data, which is totally justified. It also made Libra coin appear as profiteering and also prone to censorship, and not for the greater good as it was proposed to be. Now, do I think Libra coin is going to be created? I think that Facebook is probably playing chess when we think they're playing checkers. So, in the long run, I do believe Libra coin will be created because it would provide great profit and data for Facebook overall, and for them to let that go, I can't see that ever happening. So I don't want to end on that note. Let's end on the note of Bitcoin is still at 9,900. Thank you for joining me today. And again, if you have any advice or comments, please leave them below. Again, if you like this content, please subscribe. Have a good day.